So today we're going to talk about the Aero Covers that are on your base model Tesla. These Tesla wheel hubcaps come off, and you might think, well, I have to replace it with something if I pull these off because it'll just be so ugly underneath. But in fact, no. There's underneath these are some factory rims, which are actually quite attractive. I quite like them. Now, if you talk with, well, if you don't talk, but if you read the Tesla documentation, it'll tell you that these hubcaps actually provide some slight increase in fuel economy. I believe the number I read was 3%. I spoke with the mechanics at the shop, the Tesla mechanics, about it. They doubt that it's that much. Now, they're not doubting that in testing you can get up to 3%. That's fine. They're not questioning the science here. They're just questioning that in practice, they don't think it makes that much difference. And as a symbol of that, as a sign of that, you can look at the other Teslas that don't have these covers on. So that's a pretty good indication that yeah, just normal rims will do just fine. Now, what we're going to explain is how to take these off and how they're attached. And also that you probably want to replace what's under here. Well, you want to replace, you probably want to augment what's under here with some cheap covers you can get from, well, a lot of places, including Amazon. So let's show you first how to pull these off. So what you want to do is put your hands in behind the covers, and if you feel metal behind there, you will feel metal behind there. Don't grab onto that. That's the aluminum rim. Don't grab that. Just grab the plastic and pop it off straight in one quick jerk. 1, 2, 3. There it is. Now, how this is put on is with these clips that you can see here and this ring. Now, once we've pulled this off, let's adjust the camera and show you what's there. So you can see here that what you've got are exposed aluminum nuts and a large hole here, which you probably want to cover up for a whole lot of reasons. We could go into them, but let's just leave it at, if for nothing else than cosmetic reasons, you probably want to cover them up. And so how do you do that? What you can do is you can buy what I bought off Amazon. In my case, I spent about $20 on this little kit. This box seems rather needless as far as packaging goes. And there we go. What we've got in here are 4 Tesla center caps that are spring-loaded, as you can see. And we also have black plastic caps, and these caps go on the nuts. There's also an extractor, so let's show you how this works. First thing you want to do is probably pull a plastic off. By the way, these ones I got in red. You can get these in any color, but I like the red and they were the cheapest. And all you do is pop that in like that and hit it with the base of your palm. Just like that. And then these little caps, well, they just pop on as well. And the extractor is to get these caps off so you can reach in and pull them back. But you can also just do it with your hands. I'm not going to bother to take them off because I don't want these to be loose. So that's one tire done. And I'm going to go do the other ones right now. And now that you've got the install done, I strongly recommend you put this little extractor in your glove box so that you've got it for the future. Now, shops probably won't use it. They'll probably use pliers to pull it off, but it costs you nothing to keep it, so throw it in your glove box. But really what you want to do while you're in the car is notice that the wheels that are shown on here are the old Aero Covers. And while that's fine, that's not what you have anymore. So you probably want to go in and change it. And fortunately, that's easy enough to do. Click the car in the bottom left-hand corner, go down to, I believe it's safety or service. I think it's service, actually. Yeah, there it is. Go to wheel configuration and change it to whatever you've got. The 18-inch Aero cap kit. There we go. That's it. And then when I click confirm, watch what happens to the car. So let's go back and click confirm. There it is. And that is what your car looks like now. So it's a little more accurate. Now, doesn't that look better? It cost virtually nothing. You get to see the Tesla brakes, right? The branded brakes, which looks nice. and the little red gives it a bit of pop, and the whole car just looks better and cost virtually nothing. That's just better looking. At least I think so. Something to note is that those hubcaps are tough to get off. You really need to jerk them very firmly. Don't just tug on them a bit, they're on there good. And because they had those clips that I showed you, you don't want to take them on and off 30 times because it'll scratch the aluminum. You want to pull them off once and put them away. Please give us a like if you found this useful or interesting. We would really appreciate it. It helps with the Google algorithms. Subscribe is also appreciated, and you can always get a hold of us at www, if you want to talk to us directly, that is, www.partisanissues.com. That's www.partisanissues.com. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.